Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about screen timeout setting, customize setting. How can we customize our screen timeout setting in our Infinix phone? As you want to customize your screen timeout setting according to yourself. So how can you customize, and friends, how can you use your screen timeout setting in your Infinix phone? In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to customize screen timeout setting, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on your screen timeout setting. So friends, you can customize from here into 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute. Guys, you can customize according to yourself. So if you take guys this 2 minutes, when after 2 minutes your phone screen will off automatic. So like that guys, you can customize your screen timeout setting according to yourself. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet in the next video guys with the topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.